Good afternoon, everyone. As today, we are going to take up the head office and branch office concept in Busy. How you can explore branch office and explore this head office and branch office concept to increase your customer and the as day by day the business are increasing, and to increase our sale and all our business, we increase our presence in the market by opening multiple branches. These branches can be in same city as well as in different cities also. The main location where all the controlling is has been done is known as the head office, from where we keep our centralized data. An office of a firm which is located somewhere other than the firm's main office location is known as branch office. A branch office is simply another location and is still involved in the business activities of the firm. Each branch has its own set of transactions which is periodically required by head office for consolidating report. And one more thing, this HOBO concept, the head office and branch office feature of the Busy is available only in enterprise edition only. In standard edition, we does not provide the head office and branch office option. Yeah, let me show you one thing. What is, again we are recapping and seeing what is HOBO. In HOBO, data is saved in every branch and thereafter merged with head office server after periodic intervals. In head office and branch office, we have number of database, as we are working in different locations, one in head office and one in branch office. In head office, we have separate database. In branch office, we have separate database, and whenever it is required, we can sync our data to the head office. In head office and branch office concept, the connectivity of the internet connection required between the head office and branch office is only when we require to sync the data to the head office. Now, as you know, in Busy we provide MS SQL and MS Access in the backend. When we are opting for the head office and branch office concept, it is totally depend on us in backend what we want to keep, either SQL addition or the SQL database or either MS Access database. But in head office, we will only keep SQL database. Now let us start our topic, head office and branch office. First of all, today what we are going to do, suppose I have one head office in Delhi, okay, and I have two branches, one in Mumbai and second one in Chennai. Now our main task will be, in head office we do all the workings related to purchase, payment and the receipt, and in branch office we maintain our stock, we maintain our billing and some of the petty expenses like cash payment and the rent bill payments. Let us start this in Busy, how to maintain this head office and branch office in Busy. First of all, we will open the Busy we will create a company in head office. Suppose I am giving a name Delhi head office. Here I can enter all the general information of our company which I want to put, and after keeping all the information I will let it save. Now in administration, configuration, feature and options, enterprise, we have two options: enable multi-branch details and enable HOVO data sync. First of all, we will specify yes in this option that we have to create multiple branches in this company. We will specify yes there. When we will specify yes in this option, a option in right side of this is highlighted branch details. I will click on this option and I will add a branch master. Now our branch is in Mumbai and our branch is in Chennai. So we are creating a new branch with the name of Mumbai. Now in head office and branch office, we have to tag the voucher series group to the branch. Here series are playing important role for the flowing of the data. The series is the medium by which our data flow from head office to the branch office. So we are creating here option voucher series group, material center and the user. This option is only available in BUSY 12.0. In 3.9 we have to create voucher series group manually, we have to create user manually and we have to create material center manually. But in 12.0, for simplifying the process of HOVO, we have given this option. By this option, when you are creating the branch master, at that time only this information will be auto created from the BUSY. So we are specifying yes there. When you are specifying yes there, BUSY will auto create a voucher series group for this branch, a user for this branch and a material center for this branch. Now see here, there is the option of tag voucher series group and automatically it is coming Mumbai, and in material center also we are getting Mumbai. So all these voucher series and material center are created by BUSY only when we are creating material center, when we are creating branch master. In this address information and all these option, we can enter the relevant information of our branch. If we have not any information, we will just save it. Now by this option, my one branch is created with the name of Mumbai. Now I have second branch also with the name of Chennai. I am creating again a new branch. I will click on add master. Here in this option branch master, I will again specify my branch name. I will specify this, yes and yes. Now as it is clear what is the use of this option, we will just save it. Okay. Now these two branches has been created by me in our head office. Now let us save this branch. Till now we have created two branches in our BUSY, and now we have to enable a data sync between this head office and the branch office. So for that, to enable the data sync process between head office and branch office, we have to enable this option, enable HOVO data sync. By enabling this option, we have to specify our status, that whether we are head office or whether we are branch office. In present scenario, we are head office. Now I will click on this configuration option. I will select my branch here. I want to enable offline data sync between this branch. I will specify yes in those option. Now when we are doing yes in this option, we create a new window. in which we have one master type and one we have voucher type. In both window we have four options: allow creation in BO, allow modification in BO, allow creation in HO, allow modification in HO. Now let me tell you one by one. Allow creation in BO, it means that if I want to allow the account creation in branch office, whether I want to restrict branch to create account or not. If I am specifying yes in this option, it means that branch can create its own account master in its own parties, its own vendors. And if I am specifying no, it means that the branch will not be able to create its masters, account master only. Either you are opening your company from super user or sub user. Allow modification in BO. If they can create the account in BO, if they can add their account in branch office, either they can modify them also. If I am specifying no in them, it means they cannot modify any account master. Allow creation in BO. If I want to add for a particular branch, the master should be created by in the head office only. Then I have to specify yes in this option. Allow modification in BO. Either any account added by the branch office should be modified in head office or not. Now in this case I am allowing this option only yes, means branch will be able to create account, but it will not be able to modify them. In head office we will not be able to create account, but we can modify them. In second window we have option related to transaction. Now look here, there is one more option of series name. Series name shows the series that we have tagged in the voucher series group of to a particular branch. Now branch can only work in this series only that we have tagged in this particular branch. Again there are also same option, allow creation in BO, whether I want to billing should be added by the branch only, or allow modification in BO, whether branch will be able to modify the voucher that they have entered, allow creation in HO, or allow modification in HO. Let me tell you one thing here also. In a particular series, suppose I am taking the example of this branch only. In Mumbai series, the sale voucher can be added by only one place. Either it will be branch office or either it will be head office. We cannot add a voucher in same series in two locations because it causes ambiguity. Suppose I am entering a bill number in Mumbai series with the number 1, and in head office I have also entered a bill number 1. When we will merge the data between the two locations, then which voucher should be kept and which voucher should be modified, it can't be seen. So if I want that for a particular branch, sale will be added by head office and branch office by both location. In that case, I have to take a different series for sale. I will take two series for the sale in this branch. Now in this case, let us say billing will be done by by branch office. They can't do any modification. Head office can't do any modification, addition, but they can do modification in the entries done by the branch office. Purchase will be totally done at the head office, so we are specifying no in the allow creation in PO and allow creation in HB. Purchase will be totally done by head office. So we have specified yes in this option. Now as per our requirement, whether addition will be done in HO or whether addition will be done in PO, we can restrict the sale, purchase and other transaction in our branch. After doing this configuration, we have to just save it. Now here one point also to be remembered, if we have not enabled voucher numbering in any series, then we are not able to sync data of that particular series. Or we can assume that for doing head office, branch office synchronization process, we require number in the series. Now when we are saving this configuration, and if we have not enabled voucher numbering in any of the series, Busy will ask whether you want to enable voucher numbering. We will say yes. It will enable voucher numbering on all the series in which we have not enabled the voucher numbering. Okay. Now our next branch is Chennai. We are enabling yes there. Here also we are specifying branch will not able to enter the sale voucher. Addition will be done by HO and modification will be done by HO. Branch will not do any purchase. But they will pass their payment receipt, voucher and all the general expenses. Now we are saving this configuration. Now we are saving this option. Till now we have created two branch in our head office with the name of Chennai and with the name of Mumbai. Now we will create another branch. My branch name is Mumbai. So I am entering name Mumbai. It can be different also, it can be same also. You can enter any name in the branch office. We will specify all our general information here, and after specifying all the information, we will save our company. Now my branch office is created. I will entering here my super username. Now in this company, in this branch office, I do not have to do any configuration manually. When I will establish a link between head office and branch office, it will automatically copy all the configuration from the head office that we have done for a particular branch. Now first of all we will go to administration, configuration, feature and options, enterprise features. Now here we will enable HOBO data sync option only, because this company is particularly my branch, and in branch I will not creating any branch. Now after I enabling this option, we have to specify our status. Our status is branch office. So we will click on branch office. Now let us see the configuration part. We are here specifying our server information in which we are keeping our centralized data. This information will be the SQL Server information that we have created or that we have entered in the head office. Now our server name is admin PC. Username will be always SA. In any case, it will be always SA. Password is busy. Now, what we mean by company code? Suppose in head office I have multiple company. I have 5 company, I have 10 company. When we are sending data from branch office, then in head office in which company it should be merged, or in head office in which company it should be synchronized. So in that case I have to specify here the company code in which I am merging the data. This company code we can check this one. This is our company code. What is our branch name? Our branch name is Mumbai. And what is user login name? When we have created a branch in our head office, it automatically creates username with the same name that we have entered in the branch master. So our user for this branch will be Mumbai. After doing this configuration, we have to read head office configuration. If this information that we have entered is correct, then it will automatically pick all the configuration from our head office. Now the information that we have entered is correct, so it is asking us, do you want to copy all the configuration we have specified? Yes. When we are specifying yes in this option, it copies all the configuration from the head office that we have done for that particular branch. Now whenever we do any changes in head office or we do any changes in the branch configuration, then we have to do always read head configuration, because if we are not doing this option, the changes that we have done for that particular branch will not be implemented in the company. So whenever I do any changes, I have to do read head office configuration. Now in this window we have 2 more options also. Check connection is simply a button to check connectivity between your head office and the branch office. If we are not connected, this will show an error, and if we are connected, it will show a successful message. No error found during the connection to the head office. Now one more option left in this window is the status of the existing data. Suppose I have opened a new branch in which I have entered a data of 1 month, or for a period of 2 months, 15 months, or any. Now the data that I have owned previously in this company or in this particular branch, whether after enabling the head office and branch office configuration, I want to send that data, that particular data that I have entered previously in this branch, should be synced to the head office or not. In this button, where I will click on this button, it shows me two options. If I am specifying yes, it means the data that I have in this branch should be synced to the head office. If I will click no, then the existing data of this branch will not be sent to the head office. Let me show you. First I am clicking no in this button. Okay. Now I am saving this configuration, and again I am clicking on saving. Now in administration, data export import, we have a option of exchange data with head office. Now in this case I have not done any entry, but I have some previous data in this branch that should be synced with the head office, but it is coming blank because in the option send existing data to the branch office we have specified no. Now let's see what happens if we have specified yes in that option. Again we are going to administration, configuration, feature and options, enterprise, configuration, status of existing data, send to HO, yes. Okay. Save. Save. Exit. Now I am again going to administration, data export import, exchange data with HO. Now it is showing that this much data should be synced to the head office. This much, this 7 unit, conversion master, account group, account master, item master, discount structure, that should be synced to the head office. Now in this option, if I am clicking on send data to HO, this data will be automatically sent to the head office. Let us see that by clicking the option send data to HO. Do you want to start the process of synchronization? We are specifying yes. Now my data is successfully synchronized to the head office. Now let us come to the head office. This is my head office, Delhi. In head office, I will come to data export import, receive data from BO. This process will start automatically if we are not doing any working in our company. But suppose I am doing very important task in my company and I do not want to save this data because it may take long time. So I can quit this option. But later on, if I want to receive my data, I will come to the administration, data export import, receive data from BO. Now I will click start saving to save the data that I have received from branch office. Now my synchronized process is completed successfully. Now here we will see account has been created and all these options. Now in head office I am suppose creating a item for branch. My item name is sample item. Now I am specifying unit. It will be sold in pieces. I will specify price. Suppose it is of 150 rupees. When I will specify price, it will ask me for the price info for the branches. Now in this window I can specify the price of a particular item on which I will sell it to the branches or from the branch office. Suppose in Chennai I will sell this item for 200 rupees and in Mumbai I will sell it for 250 rupees. Okay. Now I am doing save this option. Again I will save this item master. Now this item master is not in branch office. It is created in the head office. So I want this particular branch master should be synced to the our branch office. So first of all we will go to administration, data export import, bulk updation to BO. Masters, item, group. I am specifying group here, general. If I want to sync all my item master to the all branches, then I will select all item. Now in this case I can select all item also and group of item also. In which branch we have to sync, we have to select the branches also and we have to specify OK. Now this bulk updation we have done in head office. In branch office, when we will receive data from head office or when we will click the option exchange data with HO, it will show me how much data we will receive from head office. Now when we will click receive data from HO, it will copy all the master that we have created in head office and in master item modify. When I am enabling item, it shows me the price that we have specified for the that particular branch. Now suppose in branch office we are now doing our transaction. We are now started our billing and all the other general voucher and payment. So in transaction, sale, add, it will be the simple process as we are doing in head office. Mumbai, we are selecting here sale type also. Our party, store in which our item, how many pieces I am selling, and if VAT information or VAT is applicable. Now I have entered another voucher also. Suppose now I am creating a new item, sample item 2. The sale price of this particular item is 300 rupees. Now do watch it carefully. Now in branch office my task is finished. Now at the day end or whenever required, I want sync my data to the head office. And for syncing the data to the head office, we will go to administration, data export import, exchange data with HO. Now in this window we can see that one item master that we are newly added will be going to our head office, and the sale voucher will be, two number of sale voucher will be synced to the head office. Now in this window we have some option, check connection. The check connection button establish a link or check the link established between head office in branch office is connected or not. Suppose if our head office or branch office net is not working, or is there any other problem, then it will show an error. And if our net is connected and our branch is connected with head office, then it will show a success message. Now when we will click send data to HO, this button will send our data to the head office. And this option, receive data from HO. Suppose in this window previously we are receiving data from head office, and I want to receive only data from head office. I do not want to send data to the head office. Then in that case I will click this option, receive data from HO. Below there is the option of send receive data from to HO. This option will facilitate two-way synchronized process. It will send data to the head office and it will receive data from the head office. And if suppose I want to do refreshment and some entries has been added on the other node, then we can click refresh also. Now I am clicking send data to the head office. Now my data is synced with the head office. When I will come to the head office, I can click on receive data from BO. But which data I want to receive from BO? That I can check from the Data Sync Explorer. Before receiving data from the branch office, I want to check what data I want to receive from BO, how much sale voucher, how much purchase voucher, or how much account master. I can click on Data Sync Explorer option. I will select my branch. It will show me that how much data is to be received from a particular branch. How many master, how many sale voucher. When I am clicking receive data from BO, the Data Sync Explorer, in which previously we have seen which data to be received from head office, will automatically got emptied. This will show only information till we have not received any data from the branch and it is pending, that we have to receive later on. Now in branch office we have entered 2 sale vouchers. Let us check whether they are present in the head office or not. Now this voucher is automatically coming. I can see here list also, Mumbai. It is showing me I have entered 2 vouchers in the branch office. Now I have added a new item master in branch office. One I have created in HO and one I have created in BO. The item that I created in BO is sample item 2. And the price that I have entered, the sale price is will be shown in this window, that in branch office Mumbai I am selling this price as 300. And suppose I am doing any change in this option. Then it will be automatically sent to the branch office. In branch office, when I will do the exchange data with the head office, it will be automatically sent to the head office. Let us see. exchange data with HO. Item master receipt to be 1. Receive data from HO. We are clicking on the option receive data from HO. And suppose in the same time I have to send data BO also, then I can use this option also. Okay. Master item, modify, sample item 2. Now the price is automatically changed to 340. And further on, if I am doing any modification in the item master, it will be automatically transferred to the branch office. Now, let us do one thing also. In feature option, enterprise feature, here we are checking our branch configuration, Chennai. Now in Chennai, let us do one change in this configuration. In Chennai, sale is done in head office also, and sometimes it is done in branch office also. And earlier we have learned that in a single series, voucher can be added by the one party only, either head office or either branch office. So in that case, in this case, I have to add a new voucher series for the Chennai. Now what I will do, look, I am going to configuration, voucher configuration. I have added a new series with the name of Chennai HO. I have added a new series with the name of Chennai HO. Now this series is particular belong to Chennai branch. So I will click voucher series group management and I will select Chennai. Now the series that I have created is for sale and the name is Chennai HO. I have selected that series and now I have saved this configuration. Now what I have done is I have added a new particular series in branch. I will again go to the feature and options, enterprise feature, branch office, and here I am selecting Chennai. Now you see in series name two options are coming, Chennai and Chennai HO. Now in Chennai, addition will be done by head office and modification done by, addition will be done by branch office only and modification will be done by head office. And in Chennai HO, head office will add and head office will be only able to modify the series. Okay, what we have done, we have added a new series with the name of Chennai HO and we have two series for sale in Chennai office. One is Chennai and other is Chennai HO. In Chennai series, the addition will be done by the branch only. Modification will be done by branch can be done modification and head office also can be done modification. But in the other series Chennai HO, addition and modification can be done by head office only. Now we have saved this configuration. Okay. Now previously we have created a new branch Mumbai. Now on the same time I have to create a new branch with the name of Chennai. Now I will click on create company option. I will enter my branch name. I will enter all the information related to the branch and I will save this configuration. Now my branch office, Chennai branch office is created. I will clicking in those, entering my username. Now again I will go to administration, configuration, feature and option, enterprise, and establish or will make a check-in between head office and the branch office. Again I will specify my SQL Server information in this window, admin. User ID will be always SA and password, company code, branch name will be Chennai. Now this branch name should be same as that we have specified in the at the time of creating branch. Suppose if I am doing any spelling mistake or I have changed the branch name, then it will not connect to the head office. Let's see. Branch name alias specify is does not exist in the financial year because we have specified wrong name in the branch name, and if I am specifying wrong username also, then also it will not be able to connect. So this information should be correct in case we have to establish a link between head office and the branch office. Now I will click on create head office configuration. Okay. Now I am saving this configuration and I have saved this. Now when we look to the sale, it shows two of series Chennai and Chennai HO. Now I am selecting Chennai HO. It shows me that series or the voucher in this series can be added in the head office only, because at the time of doing configuration of the branch I have specified that voucher in the series Chennai HO can be added by the head office only, not by the branch. But if I am selecting Chennai, then I can add a new voucher, because in this series, particularly in this series, the branch office will be only able to do the voucher adding, not by the head office. Now again I am adding a new item in this window for this particular branch. Now I am saving this. Now I have added a new voucher in the series Chennai and in the branch Chennai. I am saving this voucher. Later on, when my task will be finished, I will go to the data export import, exchange data with HO. It will show me how much data is to be sent to the head office and the branch office. Now in this window, all the data, all the buttons are highlighted. Now I am not clicking send data to HO, receive data from you. I am clicking single option. This option will send data in both ways. It will receive data also and it will send data also. Now I am clicking this option. Now my all data is synchronized. Some data is sent in the head office and some data is received from the head office. Okay. Now let us go to the head office. My head office is Delhi. So when we are going in transaction, sale, modify and selecting the series Chennai, it is showing, yeah, we have missed one step. We have to receive data from the branch office. After sending data from the branch office, we have to receive it in head office. But suppose I am not working in this company and it is open, then Busy will automatically start receiving the vouchers that I have sent from the branch office. This, okay. When we are working in company, it will prompt me whether you want to save the data or not. And if we are not working in the company, my system is idle, my Busy is idle, then it will start saving voucher automatically. Now go to the transaction, sale, modify in Chennai series. We have received one data. Now this process I can follow for any voucher, either sale, purchase, sale return, purchase return, general, etc. The vouchers or the transaction that we have in Busy. My data will be always updated in head office, and in branch office we have only data for the that particular branch. Now let us see the requirement for the head office and branch office be required in Busy. Now let us look first of all requirement for the server. First of all we require Windows Server operating system. It can be 2003 server, it can be 2008 server, and suppose if we are not having this operating system, we can use Windows XP, Windows 7 also. If the customer is having this operating server operating system, then it is well and good, and if it is not able to getting this system, we can work with Windows XP, Windows 7 also. Now I require SQL Server also. It can be 2005, it can be 2008, Express Edition. If we are doing head office and branch office configuration, we require SQL Server 2005 or 2008 only in head office, not in the branch office, only in head office. We require net connection also. When we want to sync the data, we require the net connection also. And last but the most important, Busy package. Busy license also required, but only of enterprise edition. The head office and branch office is only available in enterprise edition. These four things I require in the server or in the head office, in which I have to enable the HOBO process. Now let us look the requirement for the branch office or the client. In client, I require only Busy package, enterprise edition, It can be single user ES or it can be EM. But in head office, we require only on EC, because the client server is only capable to accept the data from the branch office. So in head office, we require the enterprise client server only. And in client system, we require busy license. It can be, if suppose one person is only working in branch office, then we can use single system, enterprise single user also. And if there are 4 to 5 users of a particular branch, then we can go for enterprise multi-user also. And at the time of syncing the data, we require net connection also. We require net connection and we require busy enterprise edition. And to link this head office and the branch office, we require a static IP. A static IP is a unique address for the server from which I can locate it from any location in the world to that server. So to link up this head office and branch office, we require the static IP. Suppose in case I am not able to get the static IP, we can use BDNS also. BDNS is a utility developed by Busy only, which we can use to link up the head office and branch office. And we can use other option also, Hitachi. The Hitachi is also a tool which establish a network between head office and branch office to connect them. So in server, we require this much configuration. For client, we require busy license and net connection. And to link up the both, we require either static IP, either BDNS, and either Hitachi. Now, where I can use this branch office and head office concept? Suppose my branches are in remote location where I am not getting net connection proper, or suppose I have net connection but it is not consistent. My speed is sometimes coming very higher, my speed is sometimes coming very lower. So in that case, we cannot work online. We require a connectivity, we require to send data to head office, but due to the net problem, we can't send data. In that situation, in Busy, we provide a powerful feature of head office and branch office. I want to keep my data centralized, but I am not able to get the consistent net connectivity. In that option, I will use head office and branch office. The branch and head office will work simultaneously on separate data in other location, and at the day end, I will sync my data to the head office, and in the head office, I will be able to get all my reports of all the branches, and if I have done any modification in the branch office data, it will be automatically sent to the branch office. Now, one thing also I want to show you. Now I have approx 15 users of a branch with one user working in head office. 4 I have branches with 3 computers at each location. As we know, in head office we require EC only, so we require one EC in the head office and EM enterprise multi-user at the branch location. Let me clear you. I have one user in HO. I have 3 branches with 4 users each. In head office, I will require 1 EC. And in branch office, I will require, as I am working on 4 system, I will use 4 EF in each location. So the costing will be 1 EC, and for branches I have to buy 4 user or 4 EF. Now I can use this branch office, head office, branch office concept where the consistent internet is not available either in the server, in the head office or in the branch office. I can use the head office and branch office concept and that scenario also. I can use the head office and branch office concept to link up my head office and the branch. Yeah, that's it from my side. If you have any query, just write down there and we will reply that.
Now we can see a certain number of questions. Now we are going to respond to every question one by one. I hope you would all be able to see our answer. So there's a question from Alec. He's asking for a difference between the terminologies EC, EM and ES. So EC stands for Enterprise Client Server, EM stands for Enterprise Multi-User, while ES stands for Enterprise
Standard
Single User Access Based.
Mr. Varun Das has asked the question, what is the minimum speed? In HOBO, we does not specify or we does not require any maximum or higher speed. It requires only a link between head office and the branch office. Suppose if you are giving 512 kbps speed also, then it will be also useful for us because we have to establish a link between both. So it does not require a consistent high speed network. If you are opting for 512 kbps speed also, then it will also work for us. Mr. Nahid has asked question, can we use service like DY and DNS or ORG? I would like to tell you that we can use only BDNS or the Hitachi for connectivity or the static IP for the linking up between the head office and the branch office. When transaction is going on, we will not be able to sync data. We will only able to sync data when we have completed all our work and we are clicking on the exchange data with the head office or the branch office.
So this answer was in response to a question, can we sync data while a transaction is going on?
Yeah, if you have Mr. Varun Das Asdin asked a question. Suppose if what happen if I have created items in the head office and branch office, but with the different unit. If you are created items with the different unit, then there will be a problem in the synchronization because the same item cannot be dealt in two units. Either for that you have to enable the alternate unit feature also, and if wrongly you have enabled this option, then in that case you have to delete all the vouchers and then you have to enable the sync process again.
Yeah, I think we have covered all questions. So thank you everyone for again patiently attending the session. So we are going to upload the video on YouTube and we'll share the link. Thank you everyone once again.